Hello children, how are you? I hope you are fine and well at your home. This is your Aarti teacher. Welcomes you all on e-learning class standard 5th subject social science and our topic is changing trend in occupation. Dear children, before this session we have learnt about changing trend in occupation nowadays and we have learnt about different types of skill and different type of profession. Okay, today we are going to learn about gender discrimination. Now you will think, what is gender discrimination? Then we will learn more about this in this session. Okay, see, this is picture of Kalpana Chawla. Dear children, do you know who is Kalpana Chawla? Kalpana Chawla is a woman, first woman of India who traveled in space. Children, this is very proudful for us, na? And Kalpana Chawla proved that not only men but women can also do many difficult work and challenging work. See given picture. Women can also do many works like men. For example, women can fly aeroplane, drive tractor and also train. Now we will discuss about gender discrimination. A situation in which someone is treated less well because of their sex. Usually, when a woman is treated less well than a man is known as gender discrimination. It is the wrong attitude of men against women that has existed in India. Girls and women are not given equal opportunity in education, career and political system. But it is changing slowly and women are claiming their rightful place in the society. An important aspect of the changing trend in occupation is increases in the participation of women in various occupations. When the rural men started migrating in cities in search of occupation, the women took over the responsibility of farming and related activities. But their work is not respected and they are not given the same wages that are given to men. For example, men's wages is 200 rupees per day for their work and women got only 200 rupees for their work in daily wages. So this is discrimination which we can see easily in our society. Though women form 50% of Indians population, yet they not get an equal share in occupations, education, health, facilities or parliament. Many women suffer due to his unequal treatment known as gender discrimination. So children, think, is gender discrimination is right? Yes or no? Give me your answer, okay? I think no. Gender discrimination is very wrong practice of society. Girls and boys, men and women are equal. Their equal role in society and in country. So, all should respect women as well as men. Now, many women are taking up occupation that were so far labeled as male occupation. They are making an important contribution in the development of our society. So, children, I hope you understood what is gender discrimination and what are you thinking about this. So, write a short notes on gender discrimination and your view, okay, and show me. We will meet in next class with new information. Bye. Have a nice day.